Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Hi. What are you doing? Can you say hi to Grandma? Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Oh, you okay? Yeah. Here's my cute little outfit. I'm wearing a jean skirt. Yeah, hi. Yeah. Yeah. Say hi, Grandma. Yeah, that's a good story to tell her. Why don't you tell her some more? Why don't you say, I love you? I love you. I love you.